Just want to advise you that the Prime Minister is here with us, and he's like us members of the Jamaica Observer are grieving the loss of your son. He is one of our own who died at the hands of a criminal, and we just want to let you know that from an investigative standpoint, the matter is being given priority. As we speak, there are 2 persons who have been arrested, and as you know, the police are strong following the leads of 2 other persons. In my discussion with you this morning, you advised that there are 2 other persons, one of whom has been arrested, charged, and presently before the court and got related offense. Yes, sir. Has eluded the police officers so far, but we are just expressing confidence that we know that we'll be able to apprehend him. And just know that our constables and our chaplain unit will be providing you with all the necessary support that you will need. All right? So we're here for you.
Mommy, what's your name? Mabel.
Yes.
Mabel, this is, for me, one of the most difficult things to try and counsel and talk to a mother who has lost her child, especially under these circumstances.
It's the 3rd one from gun.
So this is your 3rd child you have
The
lost?
3rd one, 2 from gun, 1 from accident. But the accident one is not like how the gun. The 2 from gun.
Your son chose a path of law and order. He was in training to be a policeman, I gather. And a part of his training was station duty.
Yes.
He was just about to graduate, I gather.
Yes.
And for no apparent reason, he was just senselessly gunned down.
Yes.
Before we put in the SODs, there were 5 murders night before. And we were tracking what was happening in Westmoreland, and we recognized that if we did not intervene, that the parish could explode. And so we tried to act as quickly as we could, and I apologize to you. It is, very, very sad that we could not have done anything more in a quicker way that would have probably saved your son. And I ask you to understand, and I know it's difficult, but we, when I heard the news this morning, I'd already planned to come here, and I said, you see, probably if we had acted a little bit earlier, who knows, maybe that fellow who you have now arrested, who is out on bail for a gun crime, maybe he would have been in custody now and would not have been able to come in. But, we don't question the actions of the Lord.
No, we cannot do that.
We don't question that if buts and maybes, we don't. But, the condolences are deep from my heart for your loss. Anything we can do, we will assist. I will personally assist, and I will be in touch with ACP to see how we can assist. All right. The police have assured me that they are working very hard to get all the people, and they have gotten 2 already. They have arrested 2 so far, and they continue to work. All right. So.